Hey YouTube subscribers and viewers, thanks for joining me today. I want to show you a couple of things real quick. This is a 2016 GL 450 that came in from the dealer for timing chain. The dealer said that they need a timing chain. We took down the engine to check what timing chain we have. We didn't have any compression on this bank right here. We took out the engine, we found out that the timing chain actually were connected together. Both timing chains were fine. This one was off and we tried to figure out why. We removed the timing case and we found this gear right here. As you can see, the gear is chewed, this section over here. And the guide and the bearings that the gear is sitting here is supposed to sit right here straight. But it wasn't straight. It was supposed to be 100% 90 degrees to the block, and it was tilting a little bit. It had a little curve to there. So in the beginning we thought maybe the bolt is bent, but when we moved the bolt and we moved everything, we saw that the block itself have an indentation. So the gear from the timing chain was actually eating into the block itself, and you can see what it did here. And basically that totaled this engine. There's no way to rebuild it, no way that I know. Maybe a machine shop can re-weld, but I don't think it's possible. This is very accurate. But this block basically is useless. So it's not the timing chain as it was stated by the dealership that the car went to. The whole engine have to be replaced. That was just a quick reference. If you rebuild an engine, make sure that everything is very accurate. And by the way, the reason that all of that was caused to that engine is because somebody worked on this engine already before and they forced the timing case into the block. We could see that one of the guides was bent. And we saw there was an excessive amount of silicone sitting right here. And so they couldn't close the timing case right. They forced it in, over-tied the bolts, and tried to put silicone to make sure that the engine doesn't leak oil. And that's it. If you have any comments or any question, you can drop us a line and we'll try to respond as fast as we can. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video is going to be helpful for somebody.